Welcome back. In the previous video, we did an overview of the main workflows in SimplePractice. This video will walk you through the 3 most important settings to customize before you start using SimplePractice. We'll also preview other settings that you can play with over time to fit your practice. First, on the left of the calendar, open the Settings menu. Here you'll find the settings organized into the different categories. Under Profile, let's start with Clinical Info. Take a moment to enter your individual MPI number, specialty, and taxonomy code. Below, you can add any licenses you have. Go ahead and pause this video to update those details because they are important for both private pay and insurance billing. Next, in the Practice section, select Practice Details. If you haven't already, add your practice's name and upload your practice logo. This will make it possible to add your logo to your billing documents and other documentation elsewhere in the Settings menu. Below, you can add or customize your practice locations. And at the bottom, you can set the address that displays on client-facing documents and insurance claims. Again, feel free to pause the video to customize this information. Now we'll jump to setting up the documents in your intake packet. Near the bottom of the Settings menu, select Documentation. Here you have access to your template library, where you can browse our pre-built templates, customize a template, or build one from scratch. On the Shareable Documents page, you can access our template consent forms. If you'd like to use them for your practice, it's important to note that these forms have placeholder text, which you'll need to replace with information specific to your practice before sending the form to a client. So let's do that now. On the right side, click Edit. You'll see placeholders with text and brackets like Insert Name, so you can delete the placeholders and type in your details. There may be other placeholders further down the form, so read through and make any changes. You can also create new blank consent forms where you can type your own content or copy and paste language from a document you have outside of SimplePractice to recreate it as a consent form that the client can easily sign electronically. Scrolling down this page, you'll see sections for shareable uploaded files, scored measures, intake forms, and demographics and credit card forms. To update these default intake forms, click Manage Forms. This is a shortcut to the template library page. For more details on customizing intake forms and questionnaires, click the link on screen to open our Help Center guide in a new browser window. For now, we can move on to billing settings. Return to the Settings menu, and in the Billing section, select Client Billing and Insurance. Each page here has helpful settings for your client billing documents, insurance documents, and any insurance payers you would like to submit claims to. Let's add your practice logo to your billing documents. On the Client Billing Documents page, we can scroll down and check the box for Include Practice Logo for each type of document. If you'd like, you can also add text that displays in the footer, like your client portal web address. Here's a preview of an invoice with a logo and information in the footer. This invoice also shows a custom service line item, and at the top it shows the profile information and practice location that we updated earlier in this video. Before we wrap up billing, under Payment Processing, select Online Payments. If you'd like to be able to process payments with all major credit and debit cards within SimplePractice, all you need to do is verify your identity and add your payout details so your online payments account can be activated as soon as possible. Below, in Services and Products, it's valuable to customize the services you offer if you haven't already. You can also do this after getting more familiar with billing or watching the Getting Started with Billing class. Lastly, let's make sure you know how to get help when you need it. In the lower right corner, you can click the question mark icon to search our Help Center and contact support, including chat and phone support during operating hours. Or you can attend one of our live Q&A webinars. For more information, click the link at the end of this video.